Welcome to Kitchen Whistle. In this video, we are going to see cauliflower dum biryani. Let's see the ingredients required for cauliflower dum biryani. Take one medium sized cauliflower, cut into small pieces and keep it in hot water. 1 cup of big onion sliced, 1 tomato chopped, salt for taste, 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, quarter cup of curd, 2 tablespoons of ghee, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of biryani masala, half lemon, 3 to 4 tablespoons of saffron milk, few coriander leaves, 4 clove, 1 star anise seed, 1 tablespoon cooking soda, little stone flour, 7 to 8 peppercorns, 2 inches 4 number cassia, few cardamom, 4 to 5 bay leaf and 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Soak 2 tumbler of basmati rice in water for 30 minutes. Let's see how to prepare cauliflower dum biryani. First we need to marinate the cauliflower. In a bowl, add quarter cup of curd, all the masala powders, add quarter teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of ghee, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, mix well. Now add the cauliflower and mix well. Add few drops of lemon juice. Mix well. Rest it for 15 minutes. Next we need to fry onions for biryani. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once oil becomes hot, add half cup of onions. Keep the stove in medium flame and fry the onion until it becomes brown color. Onion becomes brown color, take it out from oil. In a pan, add 2 liters of water and 1 tablespoon of oil and switch on the stove. Add 1 cinnamon, peppercorns, 2 bay leaf, 1 star anise seed and 2 clove. Add 2 cardamom, once water becomes boil, add basmati rice. Mix well and keep the stove in high flame. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Now the rice is cooked 50%. Check it. Switch off the stove and drain the water from rice and wash it with cold water. Keep aside. Switch on the stove and keep pan. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the remaining spices. Saute the spices up to golden brown. Add the remaining onion and saute well. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Add tomatoes and mix well. Add quarter teaspoon of salt. Close and cook for 5 minutes. Tomatoes are cooked. Now add marinated cauliflower. Add half tumbler of water. Close the pan and cook for 10 minutes in sim flame. Cauliflower is cooked well. Give a good mix. Now add half cooked basmati rice. Add the coriander leaves. Add the fried onions. Add saffron milk. Add 1.5 tablespoon of ghee. Close the pan. Now we need to dum the biryani. Keep the dosa tawa on the stove. Keep the pan and cook for 10 minutes in medium flame. After 5 minutes, open the pan. See, the biryani is cooked very well. Delicious cauliflower dum biryani is ready. You can also try this recipe at your home. If you like this video, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe Kitchen Whistle. If you have any doubt in this recipe, let me know in comment section. Thank you so much for watching.